Hey, Don Cottom, real quick review of how we operate OneTouch. So one is you have all your options down here on this side, and you have the ability to move up and down here. Then we normally will have a calendar listed here of all your upcoming events where you can hit a join button, or we can have the calls automatically launch. The cool thing about this is it's a room system, but you don't have to pay the expense of a traditional AV system, and you don't have to purchase like an annual license like you would with a Zoom room, but you get all the same functionality. You get all of your presentation options for different wireless, hardwired, and or just your local desktop sharing. So now this is a real good solution for classrooms and things as well. But it just simplifies your AV system, makes it where you can use standardized components, and a regular computer technician can actually handle your audiovisual environment. And this one can be very complicated, but with OneTouch, we've made even this courtroom system very simple and easy to operate with a very high level of reliability. Thanks for checking out the OneTouch system, and please contact us if you have any questions.